ang tinatawag na wasabi toyo ni Kristal.
Hoy, may wasabi.
Kadiri, Gustal.
Ano masasabi mo?
Kadiri.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Ito masasabi ko. Hon.
Or off, that's the topic.
Yuck, we hate
Gusto ko rin
wasabi.
yung gano'n ni Akira.
Do you hate wasabi?
Definitely.
Yeah. Look at him. He's like a vampire with 2 chopsticks, not 2 fangs. Yeah, right.
This is the best day. Sarap.
No, this isn't.
Oishi.
For you, because you got stroke.
Oishi. I mean, you got robbed.
Oishi.
Unexpectedly, di ba?
This is our first day together.
Yeah.
For the 4 of us.
Yeah! O sige, chat tayo. Kaso na yung aking back.
Okay.
Uy, sabay-sabay tayo.
Wait. Can you get?
Ay, picture din natin.
Oo,
yan.
buo.
Dali, buuhin nyo.
Dapat pa ganun.
Just wait. Can you get it for me?
Inumin mo kasi.
Uy, wag mo ihulog sa wasabi.
Kasi wag may wasabi yan. Get it for me, please, Nell. There.
Kunin mo na.
We're gonna have some lemon fight in the... Yeah.
Hindi ganun na.
May pagkanya muna, pa-flower muna.
Wait, later will be a picture.
Pag
Let's...
ganyan.
It's a video.
Yan.
Wait, I'm gonna cut the video. Okay, just wait ha. I'm gonna stop it.